At 25, Kevin inherited $1 million from his grandfather, a man who had worked hard and invested wisely. Kevin didn't see the money as a windfall, but as a chance to build lasting wealth. After some research and mentorship, he invested in a sleek downtown condo in a promising neighborhood, leaving plenty of funds in reserve. The condo looked like a perfect move. He secured tenants quickly, generated monthly profit, and watched the property appreciate. Everything seemed to be going according to plan, until it all went sideways. 6 months in, the tenants lost their jobs and stopped paying rent. Kevin tried to help them with a payment plan, but the rent never came. After months of legal proceedings and $35,000 in fees, he finally evicted them, only to discover the unit in ruins. The damage was shocking: holes in walls, vandalized surfaces, broken appliances, and a lingering smell of smoke. The repair bill was over $100,000, money Kevin didn't have. Devastated, he borrowed from family to fix the place and eventually sold it. Luckily, the market was still strong, and after all expenses, he broke even. But the emotional and financial toll changed him. Kevin realized that while real estate can build wealth, it also carries serious risks: tenants, damage, legal issues, and unpredictable costs. It wasn't the passive, safe investment he once believed. Seeking a smarter path forward, Kevin met with a safer wealth advisor. He didn't want to quit investing. He wanted to do it differently. The advisor helped him understand where things went wrong. Real estate is a depreciable asset. Its value only works for you if appreciation outweighs the costs and risks, and that's not guaranteed. Kevin nodded. He had lived that truth. The advisor then introduced him to an investment insurance strategy, a way to turn capital into guaranteed tax-efficient income for life. After reviewing the numbers, Kevin committed the remainder of his inheritance. The outcome? Starting at age 65, Kevin would receive $150,000 per year after tax for the rest of his life. No market swings, no bad tenants, no surprise expenses, just predictable income and peace of mind. This changed everything. Kevin still invests, but now with a strong foundation. He has guaranteed cash flow waiting in the future, so any risks he takes now are truly optional, not necessary. He calls it securing the floor before chasing the ceiling. Today, he shares his story with peers, warning them that passive income can quickly turn active and expensive if things go wrong. He talks about the importance of protecting your future before pursuing growth. Kevin didn't just recover from a bad experience, he used it to build something better. And with a secure base in place, he's finally free to enjoy the financial journey ahead. Contact a safer wealth advisor to build your foundation before your good ideas turn into expensive lessons.